Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we break down the latest and most exciting tech in the world. Today we're diving deep into something huge, the brand new iPad Pro with Apple's M5 chip. If you've been waiting for a real next-generation tablet that finally feels like a laptop killer, today's video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes the M5 iPad Pro a landmark product, what's different from its predecessor, how much it's going to cost, when you can get it, and whether it's worth upgrading or buying outright. Trust me, stick till the end because the value revelations we've got will surprise even seasoned Apple fans. Imagine a device as thin and light as the iPad you know, but as powerful as a pro-level workstation. That's exactly what Apple is offering with the M5 iPad Pro, a tablet built for creators, professionals, and anyone who demands uncompromised performance in a portable form. The first thing to talk about is the M5 chip itself. This isn't just a modest upgrade, it's a massive leap in AI performance, CPU power, GPU speed, and machine learning capability. The AI performance is several times faster compared to the previous generation, and the GPU now includes a neural accelerator in every core, translating to incredible graphics performance for creative tools, games, and pro apps. Tasks like real-time video editing, 3D rendering, and creative workflows in apps like Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, and Adobe's Suite are smoother and actually faster than many laptops on the market today. Ray tracing, realistic visuals, and advanced AI features are now possible right on a tablet. Moving on to design and build, Apple has kept that premium feel while refining every detail. The M5 iPad Pro comes in two sizes, an 11-inch model and a 13-inch version. Both are available in space black and silver finishes, keeping that minimalist, sleek aesthetic Apple is known for. The display is phenomenal, with Ultra Retina XDR panels delivering incredible brightness, contrast, and detail, perfect for HDR content, creative editing, and gaming. The device is ultra-thin, with a 4-speaker audio system, Thunderbolt and USB-C support, magnetic connectors for the Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, True Tone, wide color support, and promotion refresh rates up to 120 Hz. It still looks like an iPad, but under the hood, this is a powerhouse. Now let's talk price, because this is where many people pause. In the US, the 11-inch Wi-Fi model starts at $999, and the 11-inch Wi-Fi plus cellular starts at $1,199. The 13-inch Wi-Fi model starts at $1,299, and the 13-inch Wi-Fi plus cellular starts at $1,499. Apple also offers education pricing, bringing these numbers down slightly for eligible buyers. While the pricing is premium, it is justified when you consider the power, features, and future-proof capabilities packed into this tablet. As for availability, the M5 iPad Pro is already available to pre-order and started reaching customers in stores starting October 22, 2025. Early adopters in the US, Canada, Europe, Japan, and other key markets have already been placing orders and receiving deliveries. So the big question many of you are thinking about, is it worth upgrading from the previous generation? If you're a creative professional, a heavy multitasker, or someone who uses performance-demanding apps daily, the jump to the M5 is noticeable and absolutely worth it. If you're a casual user who mainly watches content, browses, and takes notes, the previous generation iPad Pro was already very fast, and the M5 may feel like more than you need. But if you want a device that stays ahead of the curve for the next 3 to 5 years and can handle future AI workflows, this one is future-proofed in a way most tablets aren't. The bottom line is that the M5 iPad Pro delivers next-generation performance, a refined and premium design, long-lasting battery life, and justified pricing for the features you get. This device changes what professional tablets can do and sets a new standard for performance in a portable form factor. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives into the latest Apple tech, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with what you want us to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Vibe with notifications turned on. You don't want to miss our next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.